Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Meguiar's Car Kit is probably one of the most comprehensive car detailing kits available, offering a wide array of products to clean, shine, and protect your vehicle. From the exterior wash and wax to the interior protectant, this kit provides everything you need to give your car a showroom-worthy finish. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or a beginner, the user-friendly nature of the products makes achieving professional results easier than ever. Number 5. XINDELL Guys Super Cleaner 18-ounce Kit. Are you frustrated with cleaners that don't live up to expectations? This product utilizes advanced nanotechnology to effectively remove dirt and grime. It's designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. Tired of a cluttered collection of cleaning supplies? This multi-purpose cleaner simplifies your routine. It eliminates the need for multiple products, making car cleaning straightforward. This cleaner works on various surfaces, both inside and outside your car, except glass and delicate screens. It's suitable for upholstery, fabric, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and more. This versatile product handles a wide range of cleaning needs. XINDELL Guys is committed to quality, using the latest scientific advancements. The products are made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. They always work great. The XINDELL Guys team prioritizes customer satisfaction. If you have any issues, they are dedicated to resolving them. They are committed to ensuring you are happy with your purchase. What we like. This cleaner works on almost every surface inside and outside your car, except glass and delicate screens. It simplifies your cleaning routine by replacing multiple products. If you're looking for a single, versatile solution for your entire car, you should consider this. What people say. The wash and wax is easy to use and leaves a great shine. The microfiber towels are soft and absorbent, and the wash mitt is gentle on the paint. The interior detailer works well on all surfaces, and the glass cleaner leaves the windows streak-free. Number 4. XINDELL Guys 16-Piece Car Wash Kit. This 16-piece kit from XINDELL Guys is trusted by car enthusiasts and detailers. It includes everything you need for a professional wash at home, from a foam cannon to premium vehicle chemicals. The foam cannon connects to standard pressure washers. It produces thick, clinging suds that lift dirt and grime, ensuring a scratch-free car cleaning experience. The kit includes 6 16-ounce bottles of shampoo, wool cleaner, and protectants. It's a complete car cleaning kit designed to clean and shine every part of your vehicle. It comes with a bucket, grit guard, microfiber wash mitt, drying towels, car detailing brush, and applicators. These tools handle washing, drying, and detailing with ease. The gentle, pH-balanced formulas and soft microfiber tools are safe for paint, glass, wheels, and trim. It delivers showroom results without causing any damage. It's ideal for washing boats, RVs, motorcycles, and off-road vehicles. It safely cleans and shines a variety of painted, coated, and clear finishes. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a professional car wash at home, from chemicals to tools. It's designed to work with pressure washers, creating thick suds for a scratch-free clean. If you enjoy detailing your car and want a comprehensive kit, this is a great choice. What people say. The window cleaner left a streak-free shine. Speed wipe went on easy and was akin to a turtle wax ice, not a true wax, but a definite improvement over nothing at all considering it takes about 3 minutes to apply. Silk Shine had the dash and trim looking brand spanking new. Not sure if it's much better than Armor All, but I prefer the smell and application was a breeze. Number 3. XINDELL Guys HOL 357 Car Wash Kit. This kit from XINDELL Guys is designed for a fast and complete wash. It includes everything you need to wash, detail, and protect your vehicle. It's perfect for achieving a brilliant, garage-quality finish. The high-foaming shampoo lifts dirt and road film effectively. It also contains gloss enhancers that leave the paint looking slick and shiny. You can use it with a foam cannon, foam gun, or the 2-bucket wash method. This product takes the kit to the next level. It's designed to clean and protect nearly every surface of your car's interior. It helps keep the inside of your vehicle looking its best. The spray-on gel clings to wheels and dissolves brake dust and road grime. It's safe for painted, powder-coated, and chrome finishes. Simply agitate and rinse for spotless wheels. These car cleaning supplies are not just for cars. They are also great for motorcycles, RVs, and off-road vehicles. It's safe on a variety of surfaces and finishes, making it perfect for any cleaning situation. This auto detailing kit is a great gift for car lovers of any skill level. The products are fun and easy to use, turning every wash into an enjoyable and satisfying experience. What we like. This kit offers a fast and complete wash and detailing experience. It includes core cleaners for paint, interiors, and wheels, ensuring a brilliant finish. If you're looking for an easy-to-use kit that delivers great results, or a gift for a car enthusiast, this is perfect. What people say. Makes washing quick and effective. This kit makes the 2-bucket method simple and efficient. The chemicals have great smell and lubrication. Everything you need is here. It's the perfect starting kit for beginners. Kit perfecto cuando está en $500 fue mi primera compra de la marca y ahora soy fan, la microfibra es excelente y los productos de calidad. Number 2. XINDELL 22-inch Windshield Cleaner. Introducing the XINDELL Cleaner, featuring a patented 2-section handle. This unique design ensures stability while cleaning and compact storage. It's perfect for car owners who need a portable cleaning solution, fitting easily in your glove box. This cleaner extends to 22 inches, providing extra reach compared to others. It easily reaches those tricky lower windshield areas and tight dashboard corners without you having to strain. This makes cleaning safer and easier. The curved handle design improves leverage, distributing pressure evenly. This allows for better surface contact, making it easier to remove oil film and fog. You'll find that the tool does the work, not your hand. It includes high-quality microfiber pads that are highly absorbent and durable. These reusable, lint-free pads are machine washable and work great for cleaning glass, waxing, and interior detailing. They are built to last. This versatile tool is ideal for more than just your car's windshield. Use it on interior windows, mirrors, glass doors, and more. It supports both dry and wet use, making it an essential tool for auto detailing and everyday home cleaning. What we like. This windshield cleaner features a patented portable handle, making it easy to store and use. Its extended reach and ergonomic design make cleaning your windshield safer and more efficient. If you need a convenient and effective tool for streak-free glass, you should consider it. What people say. Very handy to clean interior haze and cloudiness on car windows. Length is just right to reach edges. It has a large head on it, and a nice long handle. Now I got the whole windshield clean. Package did not come with the cleaning bottle of solution. It was used on the inside of the car windows and removed the smoky residue. Number 1. VIKING Tire Shine Applicator Brush with Stand. Introducing the VIKING Tire Shine Applicator Brush. This brush is designed to make your tires look their best. It's an essential tool for any car detailing kit. The applicator brush features ultra-soft and dense bristles. This allows it to glide easily over your tire for an even and precise application. It works great, even on lettering and raised designs. The ergonomic handle is easy and comfortable to hold. The compact size of the tire brush is great for use on all profiles of tires. It provides a professional tire dressing every time. The included stand is perfect for storing the brush when not in use. It also helps to protect the bristles, so the brush is always ready to use. This stand measures 2.3 inches in diameter. Use this applicator with your favorite tire shine products. This includes tire shine spray, tire dressing, protectants, or other car essentials. Get the best application possible. What we like. This applicator brush features soft bristles for even tire shine application. The ergonomic handle and included stand make it easy and convenient to use and store. If you want a professional-looking finish for your tires, you should consider it. What people say. This tire dressing applicator worked excellent for my needs. Its soft dense bristles allowed me to get a great application around a tire bead with an even coat. The dense, soft bristles spread product smoothly and evenly across the tire without flinging or streaking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.